Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are required to find the percentage increase in Adam's marks from his first mathematics class test to his second one. Okay, so Mr. Tan here will apply what we have learned in this topic, where when we want to find the percentage increase, given that the total marks for both his first and second mathematics class test is 100. So let's see, percentage increase will be equals to the increase over the original value times 100%, because we will want to find the percentage, yeah? So from here, we could then see that the original value is 48 because that is where he started from. So I will have a 48 below. And after the first mathematics test, he scored 63. So what would then be the increase? The increase would then be, what could be the increase be? Yes, we must now find how much has this improved, right? So it's 63 minus 48. This will be the increase. After which, I still have to multiply by 100% because that is where we will get our percentage. And so, using my calculator, this would then give me a value of 31.25%. Alright, take note, when we key in the calculator, this is what I will key in order for me to find 31.25. The symbol for percentage is at the side. With that, we have come to the end of this example. So if you like this video, at any point in time, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.